Hello and welcome to TNV Academy, where we simplify standards and security for the healthcare world. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide for implementing ISO 27799, the key standard for protecting health information, using information security principles. Let's get started. What is ISO 27799? ISO 27799 provides guidelines for information security management in healthcare based on ISO IEC 27002. It helps healthcare organizations protect personal health data from unauthorized access, loss, or misuse. Step-by-step implementation. Now let's go step-by-step into how to implement ISO 27799 in your organization. Step 1. Understand the standard. Start by reading and understanding ISO 27799 and how it relates to ISO IEC 27001 and 27002. It builds on these standards with a specific healthcare guidance. Step 2. Get leadership support. Secure commitment from top management. Without leadership support, implementation won't succeed. Make sure management understands the risk and responsibilities involved in handling health data. Step 3. Define the scope. Identify what systems, departments, and types of data the standard will apply to. This could include EHR systems, labs, third-party software, and more. Step 4. Conduct a risk assessment. Analyze the risk to health information. Where is the data stored? Who can access it? What threats exist, internal or external? Then prioritize these risks. Step 5. Establish an ISMS, that is Information Security Management System. Use the ISO IEC 27001 framework to build your ISMS. This includes policies, procedures, controls, and governance structures for managing health data security. Step 6. Implement technical and physical controls. Based on ISO 27799, apply key controls: access control, network security, physical security, backup and disaster recovery, secure data storage, and user awareness training. Step 7. Document everything. Documentation is crucial, from your information security policy to access logs and risk treatment plans. Everything must be recorded and maintained. Step 8. Train staff. Everyone involved must understand the importance of protecting health data. Train your team on policies, threats, and how to report incidents. Step 9. Monitor and audit. Regularly monitor your controls and conduct internal audits. Check if policies are being followed, if logs are reviewed, and if vulnerabilities are being addressed. Step 10. Continuous improvement. ISO 27799 is not a one-time task. It is a continuous journey with regular reviews, updates, and improvements to your ISMS based on lessons learned and changing risks. Implementing ISO 27799 may sound complex, but when you follow these steps, you create a safer environment for patient, data, and earn greater trust from patient, partners, and regulators. Plus, it helps your organization stay legally compliant and resilient in the face of cyber threats. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more lectures on ISO standards, information security, and healthcare compliance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.